What is the best way to move after a meal? Remember this, you do not need to go outside for a long walk or do any running. Just stay at home and follow this 11-minute gentle Tai Chi routine with me. It helps support fat loss, improves digestion, and makes your whole body feel lighter, more comfortable, and deeply relaxed after eating. First exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Heart breath, lift. Interlace both hands at the chest. Pull in, then rise onto the toes and push forward. Slow breathing helps wake up the body, increase calorie use, and support fat burning. Chest opening, ankle mobility, and body coordination improve with each calm repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2, side body twist. Raise both fists near your face. Then gently rotate your upper body from side to side. The steady turning rhythm activates the waist and supports belly fat reduction. Balance, coordination, and spinal mobility grow stronger with each turn. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3, chest to opening flow. Open both arms to the sides. Then roll the arms across the body to change sides. A wide flowing motion keeps the upper body active and increases calorie. Use chest, shoulders, and waist feel more open, light, and flexible. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise. For crane wing fold, stand with your feet wide open, both arms to the sides, then bend your knees and fold the arms in. The wide knee bend makes the body use more energy and supports full body fat loss. Leg strength, hip mobility, and balance become steadier through each repetition. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Push, pull, flow. Reach one hand forward and pull the other hand back, then gently bend the knees to change sides. The smooth push and pull rhythm keeps the whole body active and supports calorie-burning waist rotation. Shoulder mobility and balance become more controlled with practice. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Palm lift and sink. Roll both hands upward from below, bring them forward to shoulder height. Then breathe deeply and exhale slowly. A calm lifting pattern supports better breathing and keeps the upper body gently active. Shoulders, arms, and chest feel more open while the body settles into a steady rhythm. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Prayer hip flow. Press both palms together, move the hands side to side, and gently push the hips in the same rhythm the side-to-side flow activates the waist and supports belly fat reduction through steady movement. High 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Open palm hip swing. Open both hands to the sides, then bring the hands together as you gently push the hips side to side. The flowing hip rhythm activates the waist and supports belly fat reduction. Shoulders, hips, and lower back move more freely with each smooth rhythm. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Sidearm flow. Open both arms to the sides, then gently sink down to change the hands while breathing slow and deep. A soft, full body rhythm keeps the body active and supports steady calorie use. Breathing, shoulder mobility, and balance become smoother through each side. Three, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Rolling fist press. Roll both hands from below to the back. Lift them up, then press both fists forward. The stronger finishing movement increases calorie use and supports full body fat loss. The body ends warm, steady, energized, and ready to move through the day. Thank you for practicing with me today. If this workout helps you feel better, please tap the thanks button to support the channel. See you in the next video for more gentle Tai Chi together.